Unlock your potential interactive sessions for skill and growth mindset.
I hope everyone's good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल में आ गए थे हम आज आफ्टरनून में इरफान भाई से बात हुई हमने बोले इंग्लिश में या हिंदी में उर्दू में तो उन्होंने मिक्स करना एंड I'm used to actually delivering my lectures and sessions in English, so I'll make put in some efforts English Hindi at any point of time. Let's set one rule. Any point of time आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है जो हम बोल रहे हैं नॉर्मली हमारी फैमिली को समझ में नहीं आता हम जो बोलते हैं सो एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम प्लीज इंटरप्ट मी डोंट फील अरे अभी इंटरप्ट करेंगे तो फ्लो नो प्रॉब्लम आई डोंट हैव अ सेट फ्लो एज सच but yes I do prepare a script for the lectures and I'll start off with thanking Irfan bhai. I disagree. He said that you're more fortunate to address you. All throughout my life, जो उन्होंने बोला उसका कुछ ज़्यादा अहमियत है नहीं कुछ साल का एक्सपीरियंस कुछ साल का टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस है बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली I give importance to knowledge. So that is why जहाँ मौका मिले हम जाते हैं and I consider myself fortunate to basically standing here because most of my life I have been on the other side of the fence. और वहाँ से बैठ के बहुत कुछ सीखे हैं. Start with, let's say, I want my name to be pronounced well. I'll tell you why. So my name is Fahim. A is basically Abdul Aziz, and more importantly, this is my family name or surname. Bubere, not Burberry. I'm not that expensive. Irfan bhai, note kar lijiye, I'm not expensive. Okay, so Fahim Aziz Bubere, और उसके आगे अभी लग चुका है Professor. Is it? Let's start. I have a question for you all. इस दुनिया में कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो बांटने से बढ़ती है? So which is that thing in this world which multiplies when you distribute? Anyone wants to take a shot at that? Education? Nothing is right or wrong. Please, आप लोग बोलिए because everything I have prepared for today mentally will link automatically. End में आपको पता चलेगा अच्छा this was what was asked for. This is what it is. So once an education. Anyone else?
Happiness.
Happiness.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. इधर ही.
Wisdom.
Wisdom. Yes. Anyone else? अभी स्कोर अपना 7 नहीं हो गया कुछ भी नहीं पैसे नहीं बढ़ते ठीक है एजुकेशन विजडम हैप्पीनेस someone said knowledge I would like to go with knowledge knowledge एक ऐसी चीज है जितनी बांटो उतनी ही बढ़ेगी बाकी कुछ भी पैसे हो खाना हो जो भी है आप बांटते हो आपके पास में उतना कम हो जाता है तो जितना नॉलेज है जितना बांटोगे उतना वो बढ़ने ही वाली है एंड पीपल थैंक यू फॉर दैट ट्रस्ट मी एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट फीलिंग यू विल हैव एवर सो आज का टॉपिक बहुत अच्छा नाम सजेस्ट किया है इरफान भाई ने आई जस्ट टोल्ड हिम कि ऐसी ऐसी बातें करेंगे इस पर सो ही came up with this very nice title, Unlocking Your Potential through Skills and Growth. स्किल्स एंड माइंडसेट, अब स्किल्स और माइंडसेट के ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहते हैं, देखते हैं अभी स्कोर क्या होता है, अपना 7 मिलता। स्किल्स, आप लोगों को क्या समझ में आता है? व्हाट आर स्किल्स? वेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन।
Basically, skills are the things जो हम practically खुद कर करके सीखना है।
बराबर। एनीवन एल्स? और सिंपलीफाई कर दो कि हमारा काम ही है, हम जब स्टूडेंट्स को सिखाते हैं आई हैव टू सिंपलीफाई थिंग्स, कि कुछ चीजें ऐसी ऐसी हम लोग सीखते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर लिटिल वाइजर, बट उसको सिंपलीफाई करके हमको बताना पड़ता है। एनीवन एल्स वांट्स टू टेक अ शॉट एट व्हाट आर स्किल्स? Skills are basically what you can do. एकदम simple. What is mindset?
Thought process.
Thought process. Anyone else? Where's Madam Happiness? Achha, you are happiness. Okay. You are making me happy. Okay. Mindset is what and how we think we can do. Right? तो पहला कौन सा है? अभी sorry. ये साइड से पहला कौन सा चाहिए? स्किल्स चाहिए कि माइंडसेट चाहिए? स्किल्स चाहिए, राइट? माइंडसेट नहीं चाहिए। पहले तो सोच होनी चाहिए ना कि मुझे ये स्किल्स चाहिए, कैसे, हाउ विल आई इनकलकेट दी स्किल्स, व्हाट इज द प्लान आई हैव, राइट? सो पहले क्या आएगा? माइंडसेट।
Mindset.
पक्का?
Yes.
नो चिकन एंड एग ना? पहले कौन आया? मुर्गी आई के अंडा आया? क्या आया? सबसे पहले माइंडसेट आया। ओके, चीजें रखते हैं। सो नाउ वी नो व्हाट इज स्किल, व्हाट वी कैन, व्हाट इज माइंडसेट, व्हाट एंड हाउ वी थिंक वी कैन डू। एकदम सिंपल। पहले कौन सा आया? स्किल्स या माइंडसेट? माइंडसेट आया। ओके, माइंडसेट के ऊपर एक क्विज करना है कि आगे बढ़ूं?
Best चलेगा।
क्विज चलेगा, चलो नो प्रॉब्लम। सो इनायत, माशाल्लाह, आज इनायत साहब थोड़ी इनायत करके आप जरा ये सबको बांट दीजिए। अच्छा, एक मिनट, ये बहुत लंबा चौड़ा क्विज है, बहुत पेजेस का। 5 मिनट में आप लोग कितना सॉल्व कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस? 100 क्वेश्चंस? नहीं, 50 तो हो जाएंगे 5 मिनट में। हाँ, 5 कर सकते हैं? हाँ, 5 क्वेश्चंस, जस्ट 5 questions, 5 minutes. अच्छा, listen to this first. There is no right or wrong answer. It is a multiple choice question. MCQs जिसको बोलते हैं, आगे चल के आपके लाइफ में you will give a lot of tests and exams which will be based on this format. But in this case, अभी पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, ट्रस्ट मी, अभी मत पढ़ो, नहीं तो हम 2 मिनट काट देंगे, 3 मिनट में आंसर देना। Okay, just keep it with you. So there is no right or wrong answer. This quiz is to understand mindset at a broader level. क्या सोच है सबकी? At an individual level, आपकी क्या सोच है? So there is no right or wrong answer. Please, बाजू वाले का देख के आप आंसर नहीं करना, ओके? So ये क्विज करेंगे, हमको भी 5 मिनट का ब्रेक मिलेगा, ओके? So 5 मिनट शुरू करें। Your time starts now, and then I will let you know after this why this exercise. किसको टाइम चाहिए? हो गया?
Yes.
5 क्वेश्चंस थे इसके अंदर, नो राइट और रॉन्ग आंसर। दिस वाज जस्ट फॉर अस टू नो आवर ओन माइंडसेट, कि हम क्या सोचते हैं। 5 सिचुएशंस दिए हुए, राइट?
Yes.
You didn't do well in a maths test. What do you think? Now tell me, how many of you, just raise your hands, how many of you all have chosen the first option A, which is I'm just not a maths person? Could be. Maybe I would have chosen that. How many of you all chose A? No one? Okay. So बाकी तीनों में negative marking है. I didn't study well. Next time I'll prepare better. How many of you all chose B? Okay. Negative marking शुरू. The questions were unfair. होता है. How many of you all chose C? Okay. I give up. I'll never get this. How many of you all chose D? No one? 10 points मिलते थे D पे. Okay. Give yourself 10 points if you have chosen the answer B. Wow, na? Actually, हम दोनों एक ही जैसे. First time I took this test, हमने भी C लिया था. Yeah, it's unfair यार. सिखाया नहीं, out of syllabus के question देते हैं सर, है ना? ऐसा होता है, हमारे साथ भी होता है. No problem. बाकी लोग 10 ले, आप 15 ले लो. No problem. 10, okay? You try a new skill and fail. What's your next move? Did you all understand this question? Yes. Everyone?
Yes.
This isn't for me. How many of you all chose A? I'll try again and see what I can learn. How many of you all chose B? People will think I'm dumb. I select this for myself. I'll only do what I'm already good at. Anyone D? Again, the answer is B. Give yourself 10 points. Your friend is better at something you're also interested in. How do you feel? They are just more talented. Anyone? Do you feel that? See, if you're not honest, I can't help. B. I'll ask how they practice so I can improve too. I feel jealous and avoid them. No one? I do feel sometimes. अपने से ज़्यादा knowledgeable आदमी देख के I feel jealous and avoid them. No, I don't do that. D. I'm just not that good, so I won't try. Anyone selected option D? Give yourself 10 if you have selected option B. How do you see mistakes? थोड़ा भी twist आ रहा है. समझ गए question? How do you feel about mistakes that you commit? As a sign, I'm not smart. Anyone selected A? As something to hide. Anyone selected B? As part of the learning process. D. As something to fear. I also have this thing, fear. You all want me to narrate a story about fear? Okay. I'm also a certified life coach, by the way. So during my training, my mentor, he asked, "What do you feel about fear?" So we all gave varied answers. And then she told us a fact that a human being, every human being is born. We know that, right? We are all biological. Every human being who is born with only 2 types of fear. Only 2. And I can prove it because my mentor proved it to me. The rest all fears are human made. जो बोलते हैं ना man-made fears, but I don't like to use man-made because it's offensive to the. It's all human made, right? What are those 2 fears? Anyone knows about this? Have you read about it?
Yes, I have read about it, but I don't remember.
Same, my problem. Same.
I have not heard about it, but I think that one I can tell is about survival.
Survival fear. बच्चा पैदा हो गया, right?
Yes.
Do you think वो सोच रहा है कैसे survive करूँगा? नहीं. Only 2 types of fear. One is fear of heights. और वो फियर जो है ना, ये दो फियर्स ना, these are hard coded. कंप्यूटर आता है ना, हार्ड कोडेड मतलब इट इज इन द हार्डवेयर, very difficult or next to impossible to change hard coded things, next to impossible, BIOS and things like that, right? फिर भी इन्हें कर सकते, but बहुत टाइम लगता है. Fear of heights, वो fear अभी भी हर ह्यूमन में रहता है. Example, you are sleeping, you are dreaming, you are falling down, कैसे उठ जाते हैं? So that is our hard coded. Second fear, fear of
Then
loud noise.
I was about to say this.
I knew that. Okay. Fear of loud noise. अभी भी अगर समझो कोई क्रैकर बर्स्ट होता है, कुछ गिर जाता है, we get startled, right? So this is our body's response, hard coded. ऐसा कोई नहीं रहेगा जो जोर की एक्सप्लोजन या एक्सप्लोजन नहीं, बट नॉइज सुन के थोड़ा स्टार्टल ना हो जाए. Only two fear. बाकी सब fear जो है ना, fear of failure, fear of not being accepted, fear of this, that, everything is human made. ये करूँगा तो क्या होगा? मैं I am very fearful about public speaking. इधर आऊँगा, I'll embarrass myself. लोग क्या सोचेंगे? ये सब आपकी सोच है, हमारी सोच है. ये आया नहीं है, बचपन से नहीं आया है. We are not born with these fears. We develop these fears, right? So ये जो question था, I just wanted to understand and give a perspective. Okay. About fear, how do you see mistakes? ये हो गया था अपना? As part of, as something to fear. So give yourself 10 points if you have answered C. Someone gives you critical feedback. Very important, ना? बहुत सोच समझ के question include किया out of the 15. Someone gives you critical feedback, you feel attacked, ignore it, use it to improve, complain about them. Okay, so how many of you answered B?
I have a question about this.
Okay, tell me.
We all are human beings, so at first like.
Really?
तो पहले तो बुरा लगेगा, but if we give some time to us and think about it, so.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said. No right or wrong answer. Okay. We have at some point of time either felt A, B, C, D.
Yeah.
Okay. But अभी current mindset क्या है? Right? So what is it? So anyone answered B, ignore it? Natural response रहता है ना? बहुत बोलता है. Use it to improve, C. And complain about them. Yes, I would also do that. बार-बार इरफान सर मेरे को बोलते रहते हैं. नहीं? Complain करेंगे ना? Give yourself 10 if you have answered C. Faisal bhai, yes. 50 out of 50? Negative marking अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुई है. Okay, so this is for your own self introspection. जितने भी मिले हों, 40 to 50 का बोलते हैं, those people who scored between 40 and 50, they are champions. 20 to 39, they are there. Okay, just a little bit of refinement in their thought process, in their mindset. 0 to 20, please come to me. Okay, I'll definitely help you all out how to change your mindset. अगर 0, लेकिन I don't think so anyone is 0 to 20, right? Anyone? No? Good. चलो, ये वाला तो हो गया, ये पड़ाव निकल गया. Can we move on? Okay, there is another set of, there are just 2 questions, and I'm not going to waste your time by telling you all to write about it. You all can just take this piece of paper home, write, think what it is, if possible, submit it to Irfan bhai, okay, and we'll coordinate. Okay, you can just go through it, scrutinize. आपको अगर कुछ लगे तो वो हम एस्केलेट कर सकते हैं. ये बात में तो जरूर दे दीजिए. Okay, let's move on. Now, there are 2 types of mindset. Mindset अभी सबको clear हो गया? Quiz से भी clear हो गया, definition से भी clear हो गया, ना? अभी कुछ examples लेते हैं. And these are examples very, very common with us. So I want to explain you all the difference between two types of mindset. One is fixed versus growth mindset. We have to reach here, but we find ourselves sometimes stuck in a fixed mindset. बोलते हैं ना, मैंने अपना मन बना लिया, which is good sometimes if it leads to something positive. Otherwise, we should always have the growth mindset. Now, I'll just ask you some questions. There are situations where you would say, I can't do this. Are there any situations? Be very frank and honest. Are there any situations?
Yes.
लगता है नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं,
Yes.
right? So that is a fixed mindset. Why? Because आपने ज़हन बना लिया है कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Maybe nothing is right or wrong. Situations, lack of resources, okay, lack of guidance, lack of feedback. It could be anything. Yeah? But fixed mindset is not what we should be going towards. We should be going to a growth mindset. Instead of that, I'll throw another statement at you. I can't do this, but yet, right? If you add this, what would you add? We'll start with you. Suppose, what is the most difficult thing for you?
For me.
Maths, yes, कुछ भी बोलो. Cooking,
No. I love it.
okay. Cooking आप लोग के पास आएगा. Most difficult thing for you, maybe
Fight.
remembering
To
something.
fight or to ऐसे गुस्सा करना.
गुस्सा करना.
No, गुस्सा करना जैसे to fight or something या फिर
You can't fight.
no. Or
I don't want you to fight also.
Like
Trust me, I don't want you to fight.
it's sometimes when it's time to like when
Let's stick
where I
to
need
skills.
Yes, where I need to stand for myself. That's a difficult part for me.
Okay. And in terms of skills, if I have to ask you, how would you feel when you say, I can't do this? Maybe coding हो गया, okay, AI, ML, कुछ भी. And you just give up and say, I can't do this.
I don't know like उसे face करने के लिए पहले try करना पड़ेगा कि कर सकते हैं कि नहीं.
Right.
Yeah.
But, जब भी but आता है ना, but I will
I can try. I'll
take
see.
help. Okay. I will put in more hours of effort. Right? So that but is very important. I can't do this बोलना बहुत easy है. But if you
But I can do things which is.
but I will not do this AI, I will do ML.
Like,
Okay.
I can't do this, but I can do things which are in my control.
Okay, no problem. Fair enough. Right? But you cannot stop at I can't do this. There has to be some but. If not this, then this. If I can't do this, then I will improve. Whatever it is. So that but. Why I am saying this? Because आगे चल के इसके बारे में एक आएगा point, okay, which I will tell you. Two more statements. I failed. Just add but. I would say I also used to fail. Okay. जब भी पता नहीं बोलते थे कि नहीं, but अभी अगर fail होंगे तो हम बोलते हैं I failed, but I learned something. I failed, but I will put in more efforts next time. I failed, but now I think I'll get more external help. So that but becomes very important. Okay, BUT. This is too hard. ये statement आता है? कभी आपने अपने आप से बोले या किसी को बोले? This is too hard.
But we can figure it
But
out.
yeah, आ गया ना बीच में.
Yes.
So that is more important. So from now onwards, whatever difficulty you are in, whatever situation you face, at least when you are talking to yourself, वो एक अलग session लेते हैं, self-talk, positive self-talk. But let's not get into that. Or you're talking to someone else, start adding the word. What? Which word?
But
That is the only thing I want to tell you. Mostly this is, I'm done with the mindset thing. But before I go on to the next thing, which is skills, I'll like to give you all a small mantra about how to work on your mindset. Very simple. I love acronyms. बड़ी बड़ी चीजों को छोटे छोटे बना दो. Acronyms is basically full form बोलते हैं ना,
Yes.
है ना? तो वो हम अगर concept रहेगा, I try to break it down. So how will you try to improve your mindset? By following this mantra. What is it?
Clean.
Clean. यानी साफ सफाई. अगर साफ सफाई करो, सोच बदलो तो पहले खुद बदलेंगे, फिर देश को बदलेंगे. ओके? देश को बदलना है
Yes.
अच्छा पॉजिटिवली, बट उसके लिए पहले खुद बदलना चाहिए. तो क्लीन मंत्र. At the end of this session, I want you all to remember very few things. One is mindset क्या होता है? What you need to add before making any statement regarding your skills, right? What is the word you need to add?
But.
And clean. अब clean क्या है? C stands for celebrate. ये fail हो गया. Celebrate your efforts. Always remember. Very important. हम लोग results में इतना टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं और इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं रिजल्ट्स को कि एफर्ट्स तो ये पता ही नहीं चलते. हो सकता है आपने बहुत मेहनत की, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की, फिर भी रिजल्ट्स में भी नहीं आएंगे. हमारे एक स्टूडेंट थे, उनको 45% आया. पास तो हो गए. उनके फादर मदर ने बहुत बड़ी पार्टी रखी. मेरा बच्चा 45% पास हो गया. उनको मालूम है कितनी मेहनत किया उसने 45% लाने. दूसरे को 82% आया. वो मुंह लटका के आया. पेरेंट्स आर कमिंग. आई डोंट नो. वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग 90%. तो इतना 82% आने के बाद भी they were not celebrating the efforts और रिजल्ट्स के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट. और 45 वाला बॉस बच गए. नेक्स्ट डिवीजन नेक्स्ट ईयर. अरे क्या बात है ना. बड़ी पार्टी. बहुत मजे, बहुत दबा के खाए हम लोग. ज्यादा हम लोग ने मेहनत नहीं की, उसने किया होगा 45% के लिए. बट एनीवेज वी नीड टू सेलिब्रेट
Effort.
efforts. Very very important. So please celebrate the effort. L for learn. Always learning is the most important thing in life. The only person who doesn't learn is, कुछ तो बोलो, who is no more. Actually we are alive, so we need to learn. How do we learn?
By observing. By questioning.
No. People like Irfan Bhai,
Yes.
he has so much knowledge, right? He can give you that knowledge, domain knowledge दे सकते हैं, life का skill सिखा सकते हैं and all. Okay. So we don't learn, we don't approach only, right? So learn from feedback. Embrace mistake. Embrace. गले लगाओ. गलती होती है, मानो पहले. The most important thing for us is to admit. Okay. Here वो admit का clap CLAAN होता है, तो हमने embrace word हमने डाल दिए ताकि clean बन जाए वो एक acronym. Embrace mistakes. Please, the moment you are in denial mode, कुछ नहीं होगा. कि नहीं मैंने तो नहीं किया. ऐसा होता है. बोलो yes मैंने किया. Next time I will not do. I have learned something from it. Okay. Admit, try to admit. It will make you much more magnanimous. Trust me when I say that. It has helped me. A for add. What do you need to add in all your statements? हाँ? अभी तो but simple ना. हम बोले ना ये लेक्चर ना, ये सेशन ज्यादा कुछ ऐसा रॉकेट साइंस है नहीं. Just need to concentrate, right? Add the word but. We won't get into that. And new things. Try new things. Don't be like ये मैं नहीं कर सकता, ये I don't think so it'll add any value. Everything, every knowledge adds value as long as you do that L thing, learn. Okay, that is the most important. Learn के ऊपर और एक बात याद आई. According to me, and I spoke to some very very knowledgeable people, there are only two outcomes if you undertake any studies or learning new skills. There are only two outcomes. One is success and one is failure, right? No. One is success and the other one is learning. If you take failure as one of the outcomes, if it's not success, you are doomed. Trust me, you are doomed. So it is only success or learning. क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखे ना.
Yes.
So that is about it. ये याद रखोगे clean.
Yes.
C for
Celebrate.
L for
Learning.
E for
Embrace.
A for add, N for
New things.
try new things. Okay. खत्म. माइंडसेट का खत्म. आधा टॉर्चर आप लोग का खत्म हो गया है. अभी सिर्फ थोड़ा सा बाकी है. Now this is my forte. I teach skills. So mindset के ऊपर थोड़ा सा I just wanted to give you all a brief. The way I teach management students is I just provide food for thought. लोग बिठा के spoon feeding नहीं करते. And I treat all my students as equal. I know you all are also much more capable and able as much as a management student or any other student. Okay? So spoon feeding is not my thing. I always give food for thought. You'll have to think about it. अभी हो सकता है ये इसके अंदर आपने एक दो चीजों के अंदर करना था ये, okay, लेकिन मार्क कर दिया वो. No problem. I want you to be honest with yourselves. Now let's get at skills. Now I teach my management students skills. Skills are, I have categorized them into two categories, classified them into two categories. One is life skills, which I normally teach. And the other one is domain skills. आज domain skills के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. I will leave it to Irfan bhai because that is what he does and a very good job. I see a lot of posters and ads and all. On आपका YouTube channel भी है, career creators and all. So domain skills are basically skills about computer, knowledge, AI, ML, finance, marketing, HR and all. वो आपको, that is very very important. But before we get into that, we should know something about life skills. Okay. Sirs on the right hand side. Everyone. ऐसे ही होता है. मुझे भी ऐसे प्रॉब्लम बैठे ना कोई पूछता है ना. You. हमने कौन? Me. ये आप भी पीछे देख रहे थे ना. Sirs is all of you. Okay. Please tell me what you all understand by life skills. बोलो है. बहुत सिंपल है. जिंदगी के स्किल्स क्या होते हैं? फॉर सर्वाइवल आपको क्या क्या करना चाहिए? कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइफ स्किल्स डोमेन के अंदर इट टचेस ऑन द डोमेन, ओके, बट कम्युनिकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? व्हाट आर द अदर काइंड ऑफ स्किल्स? लिसनिंग स्किल्स, building rapport. You know what is rapport?
Repetition.
Hmm?
Network. Repetition.
Rapport. We share a very good rapport. Friends में होता है ना?
Bond.
Basically, warmth in a relationship. How easily you all are able to communicate with each other, right? There is ये पूरा एक science है इसका, building rapport. Okay, and one of my session is dedicated for all managers. The first beginning lecture is about building rapport. That is the most important. When I came here, did I know you? No. Did you know me? No. I said, okay, थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताएंगे. thoda sa I will make you all feel relaxed. So I told you all what we are going to cover and things. I was trying to build rapport. बहुत बार नहीं होता है. But the effort counts. I'm happy that you all are able to, you all are hearing, listening to me. कोई अभी तक उठ के नहीं गया है, so I can assume that it's going well. Public speaking skills, time management skills, stress management skills, problem solving, all these are life skills. Domain skills के बारे में तो हमने आपको बता दिया. अब why am I talking to you about listening, public speaking, time management and all that? Why?
To socialize.
No, to basically develop your personality. Socialize के लिए maybe communication skills ही आपको ये. But what about time management? What about problem solving skills? So this will be your overall personality development. So don't think these skills are in any way not important. They are the most important. Right? Once you are, once you all grow up, you all will go to big institutions, उसके बाद में you all will go to work. There all these skills will matter. Okay. These skills can make or break your career. ये वाला अगर नहीं रहेगा domain skills, finance professional है, finance का knowledge नहीं है, तो फिर तो आपका career will take off only. But आपके domain knowledge है. You're very good at HR or computers, but you don't have life skills. You don't know how to manage your time. You don't know how to manage your stress. You don't know how to solve problems, right? You don't know how to build relationships, rapport. टीम के अंदर आप काम ही नहीं कर सकोगे. बॉस के साथ में कैसे रहना है, अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स के साथ में कैसे रहना है, कलीग्स के साथ में कैसे रहना है. So all these are very important, right? So we'll just talk about this a bit more. Another question. How much time do you think someone would take to master a skill? How much time? It could be minutes, hours, days, weeks, years, whatever. Decades.
Depends on the person and the work or skill.
Okay.
Which he or she
But if
is
you have to
doing.
quantify that, just give me a quantification. How much time does it take to attain mastery level in a skill? Mastery level. विराट कोहली का नाम किसी ने नहीं सुना होगा, right? सुना है? Is he skilled at cricket? हाँ? Is he? ऐसे ही बन गया? So he must have spent some time, right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
How much? They take the wildest guess. Trust me, कुछ wrong और कुछ सही नहीं है इधर. The figure which I will also throw at you all, okay, some might might not agree, but I will prove it from my side. How much time does it take to master a skill?
I think entire journey.
Sorry,
Entire journey.
journey where Gira wrote.
I think it's from where he started and from there.
Yeah. So how much time? Because we don't know how much we are going to live, right?
Entire
Entire life.
like
फिर वो skill का फायदा ही क्या?
his life is all about cricket.
No. He spends some time, a lot of time, but I just want you to quantify. I'll give you an example.
Let's do it.
6 months, या बोलो 6 साल, या बोलो 6 घंटे, या बोलो 21 days, या बोलो कुछ. How much time?
6 to 8
Hmm?
minutes.
Approx 10 years.
Approx 10 years.
3 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years. Nothing right or wrong, tell me.
जब तक मैं सीख नहीं लूँ.
Okay, but mastery. सीख तो आप जाओगे, कोडिंग आप सीख जाओगे, राइट? लेकिन क्या रहता है? पायलट, चलो पकड़ लो, पायलट को पकड़ लो. पायलट को एक ऐसा एक मास्टरी लेवल रहता है. उसके बाद में बोलते हैं आंख बंद करके भी चला सकता है. आंख बंद करके चलाए तो पैसेंजर्स की तो समझ जाओ. बट एनीवेज, इट्स सेड कि आंख बंद करके भी मैं ये काम करूंगा. बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं ना. How much? Last chance. I've got 3 years. I've got entire journey, I've got 6 years also. No? Any
5 years.
5 years? 6 years? पक्का? पक्का? हो सकता है। मैल्कम ग्लैडवेल का नाम सुना है?
Sorry.
मैल्कम ग्लैडवेल। मुझे भी नहीं पता था 2 साल पहले। एक ऐसी डिस्कशन हो रहा था because I have to prepare life skills के ऊपर पूरा आगे। So it takes according to Malcolm Gladwell and फिर बाद में उसके ऊपर हमने reverse calculation किए, पता चला कि ये सही हो सकता है 10,000 hours. Do you all agree with me? Do you all agree with me? You don't have to. You don't have to. Trust me. But 10,000 hours he said. And then I started calculating backwards. तो हमको आंसर आया 6 years. हमको आंसर आया, किसी ने 10 साल भी बोला था, 10 साल, किसी ने 3 साल भी बोला था, वो भी आंसर आया. Trust me. Because then I started breaking up 10,000 hours. And then I came to know why I took the example of Virat Kohli. I'll tell you. Because I came to know how much he practiced to reach where he is. और ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी भी 0 पे आउट नहीं होता है, 0 पे आउट होता है, लेकिन नेक्स्ट इसके अंदर ही 80 प्लस मारता है वो. उसका वो कर्व अमेजिंग है, राइट? सो 10,000 आवर्स हमने सोचे कि अगर 6 इयर्स का, अगर 6 इयर्स में करना है, सपोज दिस मच, ये फिगर आया था, then this person has to work on that skill. Five hours per day. That is what on an average people like Virat Kohli do. Right? 365 days. अभी calculator है किसी के पास? I said that I'll prove it. I'll prove 3-4 years also. Prove 6 years also. I'll prove 10 years also. 365 days रहते हैं, but normally we would take 300 days. That's the normal year. 52 days तो एक संडे को अगर निकाल दो, संडे को तो अपने को बिरयानी खाने रहती है, right? तो वो टाइम पे प्रैक्टिस करना बड़ा मुश्किल रहता है. 300 days ले लो, 5 hours per day, 1,500 hours. 10,000 divided by 1,500. How much is that, sir? Calculator ले लो यार. I'm also not good at maths. लेकिन ये रट क्या है इसके लिए याद है. It is 6.66 years, right? So your answer is right, ना? तो इतना डर क्यों रहते आप? अब इसी को 5 hours को आप ले लो 6 hours, then this 6.66 becomes 5.55. Why I'm telling you all this? You take this as 7 hours. This 5.5 will become something like 4. So you're also right. The more you increase this, but the fact remains 10,000 hours is what it takes to master a skill. So a pilot with 10,000 hours of flying hours is considered to be most skilled master. You take any professional, they have worked so much, okay, to achieve the level which they are at right now. So please remember, 10,000 hours is mastery skills, and I don't tell my students to become masters. It is a long process. I am just here to tell you how important skills are. The more you start, reducing this 10,000 hours, that means you're building your own skill hours. You will start realizing you're good at that skill. The moment you reach 10,000 hours, you're a master. Trust me on that. I am still at about 3,000 hours of public speaking. Public speaking is not only in front of the class. Whenever I address my family also, more than 10 people, I consider that public speaking. So I'm at 3,000, so maybe that's why I'm making some mistakes here and there when I'm standing here, but that's okay, I'm also human. Right? I also go through that fear sometimes. ये लोग समझेंगे कि नहीं, बाद में जाके मजाक उड़ाएंगे. But it's okay, I don't mind that. Okay? So 10,000 hours is to become proficient in any skill. This life skill or domain skills, right? So what would you call this 10,000 hours? 10,000 hours of practice. Practice ही करते हैं ना?
Yes.
Flying hours is also, in a way, it's practice. Virat Kohli also practice, right? Who are the other personalities? Nothing is coming to my mind. Yeah, one personality is Irfan Bhai. I'm sure he must be reaching at 4,000, 5,000 hours easily on certain skills. Okay. So this is about it. Again, one mantra I threw when I was talking about mindset. One mantra I will throw at you all when I'm wrapping up on.
Skills.
Just remember this. For any skill, you need
Practice.
अंदर का क्या है when I'm going to expand, आप लोग को याद रहे नहीं रहे, I don't know. But skills को master करने के लिए you need
Practice.
everyone please.
Practice.
अभी तो जाग जाओ, शाम हो गई. कोई इधर से आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है सर. What do you need?
Practice.
What is practice? Very, very quickly I'll take you all through this. P is for planning. First, plan out. 6 घंटा करना है, 5 घंटा करना है, 7 घंटा करना है, 1 घंटा करना है. 1 घंटा करना है तो सर ने जो बोले लाइफ टाइम पूरा जर्नी. ओके, बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा, राइट? सो पहले तो प्लान करो. हाउ मच टाइम यू हैव. ये नहीं है कि आप समझो कुछ स्पेशलाइज कोर्स कर रहे हो डोमेन के अंदर और आप बोलो नहीं मैं 5 घंटा लाइफ स्किल्स को दूंगा. That is not planning. That is not good planning. So you need to plan yourself, and it is different for everyone. Right now, if I have to go in for any skill, I also look for skills. I see what is my schedule, and then I set a target. 2 महीना, 6 महीना, and all. So this is the way वो calculation जब होता है ना मुझे इतना करना है. I have to do a 50-hour course. Where am I going to get the time? So I said, okay, Sunday को 1 घंटा कम सोऊंगा. Okay, I will go through the videos. तो 6 महीने में तो हो ही जाएगा 50 घंटे, right? 50 घंटे 25 घंटे. Anyways, so planning is required. Second is ये बहुत लोग mistake करते हैं. इसने किया, मुझे भी करना है. Research करते ही नहीं है. Maybe that is not for you. That skill is not for you. जैसे when I joined one IT company, it was a nightmare. Because वहाँ पे हमको कोडिंग करने बोला, and I realized कि I am not a coding person. I was always into that business plan, proposals, ये वो, and then alhamdulillah I got a good break in the same company, which I enjoyed doing, right? So I did not do any research. सिर्फ नाम अच्छा था, join कर लिया. So research तो था ही नहीं, बहुत लोग ये करते हैं. A, adaptability. It is more important. This A is more important in this world right now. It's very changing very fast. आज कुछ है, कल वो आउटडेट हो जाता है. हम लोग के टाइम पे एटलीस्ट था कि 5-10 साल चले वो टेक्नोलॉजी. ये एक दिन में कुछ चीज ऐसी आउटडेट हो जाती है आपको समझ में नहीं आता. अरे अभी तो सीखना शुरू किया था. So adaptability very important. I'm just बहुत फास्ट बता रहे इसके बारे में, प्रैक्टिस के बारे में. Everything, every word over here, okay, I have to talk to you all for at least 15-20 minutes. But since paucity of time, I will just take you all through. If you all don't understand anything, please ask me. Adaptability, everyone understands?
Yes, sir.
Right? You need to adapt to the situation. You need to adapt to आपका जो माहौल है उसके अंदर. If you don't have the resources, if you don't have the time, right? If the technology is outdated, please let it go. Go back to our research, right? C, communication. I will not talk to you all anything about communication because that is the most important. You are not able to communicate, so you need to work on your communication. T, time management. That is where you need to question yourself. Do I have the time? Do I have the inclination? How am I going to get time ये चीज करने के लिए? I is for initiative. Initiative is not the start, not only the start. It is every time you have to take the initiative. कभी-कभी क्या होता है, people lose interest. I start doing a course, I start losing interest sometimes, right? Because ये तो difficult है, तो ऐसा लगता है ये तो किया है. Every time I have to take an initiative, okay, to get into it. Do you think Virat Kohli would not have felt कुछ failures के बाद में chance नहीं मिल रहे होंगे and all? No. Every morning he used to take the initiative. No, today I have to do this. 5 घंटा complete करना. Initiative is very much important. C is a little bit more advanced stage. C stands for critical thinking. Okay. We will not discuss about this. This is also one of my sessions where I take critical thinking skills. Critical thinking is not about ICU में भर्ती है और आप सोचना शुरू करो. Okay. Critical thinking is you need to basically create a picture first. Okay. क्या क्या है आपके सामने, क्या options है, उसके अंदर what is the pros and cons of each option. अभी हम बता रहे हैं तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि अरे ये तो यार बहुत ज़्यादा है. नहीं. This once you master it, it becomes so easy. Magnus Carlsen का नाम सुने?
Yes.
हाँ?
Chess grandmaster.
अच्छा. And Gukesh भी
वो मतलब पहले थे और अभी
सुने ना नाम?
Yes.
अब ये लोग जो है एक क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग टाइप स्पर ऑफ द मोमेंट करते हैं. रैपिड चेस किसी ने सुना है? रैपिड चेस वो टाइम बेस्ड रहता है. सो यू कैन इमेजिन वो लोग ये मूव किया तो ये हो सकता है, वो ऐसा करेगा, ऐसा करेगा. ऐसे कितने सारे एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम देयर वुड बी एटलीस्ट 20 मूव्स. उनके दिमाग इतने फास्ट चलने लगे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस 10,000 आवर्स, कि हर मूव का प्रोस कॉन सब सोच के बैठते हैं. राइट? यू नॉट एट दैट लेवल, बट यस क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. ये अगर मैं करूंगी ये हो सकता है, इसके अंदर ये नुकसान हो सकता है, इसके अंदर ऐसा हो सकता है. एटलीस्ट थोड़ा 5, 10, 15 मिनट, आधा घंटा दो अपने आप को टू थिंक क्रिटिकली. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन आई एम गिविंग यू. This is a science in itself, critical thinking. There is a formal definition which goes with all the processes and all. Socratic thinking also comes under critical thinking and all. But we'll leave it at that. Just make sure you understand what you are doing. क्या उसके फायदे हैं, potential possible नुकसानात क्या है, सिर्फ एक बार सोच लो इसके बारे में. And last, this is the most important. If you don't remember this also, ना नहीं चलेगा. Trust me. Execution.
Excellence.
Excellence. पूछ रहे हो, बता रहे हो?
बताइए.
अच्छा.
मैं
What?
भी रही हूँ.
हाँ?
दोनों.
Emotional intelligence. थोड़ा भारी वर्ड है, उसको सॉल्व करते हैं. Intelligence मालूम है सबको क्या है?
Yes.
You know what is intelligence?
Yes, sir.
You know what is emotions?
Yes, sir.
You know? So these are emotions. Emotional intelligence. Very simple, huh? But just listen. It will be simple if you all listen and pay attention. Emotional intelligence is understanding oneself, that is, understanding ourselves and the feelings of others. That is actually emotional. इसके आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं, बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है. Emotional quotient लोग बोलते हैं, emotional intelligence and all. मुझे लगता है क्या है? Simple, understanding yourself and understanding others is emotional intelligence. आपको सामने वाले की भी समझो, खुद की भी समझो, खुद को भी समझो, खुद की capabilities क्या है, abilities क्या है, how you think, right? How you react. गुस्सा किस चीज पे आता है, खुशी किस चीज पे होती है, right? So you need to practice emotional intelligence. We do every time, but we don't do it in a very structured manner. Emotional intelligence is understanding yourselves and understanding others. That's it. That why I said it is very important, because once you are trying to master a skill, once you are trying to put in whatever number of hours, you need to understand your own self first. How your mind, your body is going to react. Are you basically, किसी और को मालूम रख रहे हो because you're so engrossed in getting those 10,000 hours? Are you neglecting your family? Are you neglecting your children? Right? So all this comes under emotional intelligence. That is why planning is very important, right? So for skills, just know that there are only two types of skills, majorly life skills, which I have already given you what they are, and domain skills. Domain skills are whatever hard skills जो आपको आते हैं, technical हो गए और stream related हो गए, and for that you just need to practice का full form किसी को नहीं मालूम होगा, right? कुछ थोड़ा इन लोग को भी दो, emotional intelligence थोड़ा तो ये करो. So anyone wants to take a shot at what is the full form of practice? T से बता दो. R, हाँ? A, C, communication, right? T, I, initiative. C, बहुत heavy है, छोड़ दो. E, understand yourself and understand others. That's it, right? So at the end of this session, I just want you all to remember दो चीजें. Mindset को अचीव करना है, ग्रोथ माइंडसेट को, तो क्या करो? क्लीन का मैं भी भूल गया हूँ, तो डोंट वरी. और आपको अगर स्किल्स इंकलकेट करनी है, so that is the mastery level. You want to reach, don't want it, doesn't matter. But what you need is
Practice.
that's it, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I have shared with you all one more page. Very simple. आप लोग खुद आंसर करना है करो, नहीं करना है नहीं करो. It's okay, completely up to you all. एक पर्सनालिटी के बारे में आपसे बात करना था, which I thought तो लेक्चर थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा तो ये डॉक्टर APJ अबुल कलाम.
Yes.
You all know who he is?
Yes.
Who he was?
Yes, sir.
If possible, there is a book.
Wings
So, if possible, पढ़ो. नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे तो आपको एक शॉर्टकट देते हैं, which I normally don't do. ChatGPT क्या है पता है?
Yes, sir.
मुझे नहीं पता. Go there, and if you all want, you can give a prompt. I leave it up to you, but it could be give me a 2,000 word summary of that book on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. At least 2,000 words तो पढ़ सकते हो ना?
Yes.
15-20 मिनट.
Yes.
You'll come to know a lot about mindset, a lot about skills. There are very many personalities, but for today's session, I chose Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So if you all want, you all can do it. If you all don't want, no compulsion at all. Okay?
Yes.
Done.
मैं आपको
Yes, sir.
फायदा उठाना बहुत.
So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Irfan sir, for arranging this session.
Yes, thank
How
you.
did you find the lecture now?
Sir, it's
आप
not
बताओ कि कैसे लगा आपको?
Sir, it was really interesting. We enjoyed it a lot. It was really interactive.
आपको कैसे लगा?
I hope so.
Basic ideas आई कि नहीं?
And no, really thank you to Irfan sir and thank you to you, sir.
आज का सेशन ना बहुत ब्रीजी था. ओके, इन थोड़ा बम्बईया इसमें बोलते हैं, हाथ आया मुंह ना लगा. ओके, थोड़ा बहुत तो पता चला, बट समझ में नहीं आया होगा. ओके, आई एम श्योर. ओके, एंड the aim of this session was also not कि आप लोग को everything you all should understand at once. थोड़ा ये देखिए. Now this was just opening doors. आप लोग को अगर और डीप जाना है तो I'm always there. I'm always available. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I really enjoyed delivering this talk. I hope it makes some difference, just 1% also. My aim is achieved. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.